Good afternoon. Welcome back to the Cambridge Cooking Out. Chef Chris just got finished his segment, and I'm going to start mine, and we're going to do a hot dog scrambled egg medley. I'm going to use some onions, mushrooms. I'm going to top it off with some tomatoes. So real quick, first thing I want to do is you always want to make sure your hands are clean. Quick wash to make sure, because I'm not wearing gloves, as you can see. So if you're not wearing gloves, you frequently have to wash your hands. So with this hot dog medley, the first thing I'm gonna do is just demonstrate prepping is the right word. Prepping the ingredients that need to be prepped. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I have 2 hot dogs, and I'm just gonna cut them up into small pieces, because they will go on the grill or in the pan along with the eggs. I started off with a whole mushroom. I cut it in half. As you can see, this one still has the skin on it. I went ahead to save some time and show you what it looks like already cut up. All right, so you take a half an onion, cut up into small pieces, and that takes care of that. The next ingredient that I'm going to dice up are button mushrooms. Okay, you can use shiitakes or any other kind of mushroom that you like. And when I do a mushroom, I always make sure I take the outer skin off, and then I turn them up because it's easy for me to hold the button, so it doesn't slip. That way I let a chance to get my fingers. All right, so those are all cut up. So that's the prep part. Cutting up a tomato, because it looks pretty having some color on top of an egg dish. So what I'm gonna do is, the proper way to cut, you want to cube up a tomato, is to cut it sideways. Don't go all the way through. Do like that. On this particular size tomato, I can get 4 cuts. And then what you do is you turn it up on the side and you come down the other way, slicing it so that you have a cross section. And then what you're going to end up having is a tomato that looks like that. All right, I don't know if you can, hopefully you can see it. Now, once I've made those cuts, I just cut it like that. And then I'll use that as a topping on top of my hot dog scrambled eggs. So the next step, when I come back, I'm going to have everything in the pan, and I'm going to cook, and then I'm going to scramble the eggs on top of everything that's already cooking. So you want to do the hot dogs, you want to do the mushrooms and the onions all together, get them hot, and use some butter. And then once I get them hot, I'll crack the eggs, put the scrambled eggs in a bowl, and pour them on top of these other ingredients. And then after that, it's just a matter of plating and eating. So hang in there, I'll be back shortly.